Hey, dear ones, it's Karen Russo, and I'm so excited to see you next week at Your Money Plan 2018. So, as you can tell, I'm on the road. This is Marriott, Colorado, and one of the things that I am tapping into so clearly for myself that I'm very excited to share with you is that a lot of us who've got big visions and passions and goals are needing to make a tighter connection between the value and the passion that we have to offer and exactly how we're going to be in action every week, connecting to sharing our gifts and making money. And that's what Your Money Plan 2018 is all about. You've got all the details here for this wonderful workshop in beautiful Venue 8600 in North Scottsdale. We're going to be meeting to look at, given your vision, your dreams, and your goals for 2018, what's the money plan so that you're clear and confident about exactly what steps to take. And then we're going to look at fine-tuning your ability to make more money by making sure we disrupt any old patterns that you have, particularly around what gets you stuck, what keeps you distracted, what has you wasting time and energy. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make sure you're set up to feel inspired so that you do take action week after week. When you come to this workshop, you can bring a friend for free, and I definitely suggest we're going to have a lot of couples coming together where one might have one kind of business and the other one has a different kind of profession, but what's the money plan for the family and the partnership? We're also going to have people who are coming with their business colleagues and their networking friends. And it's going to be a working session, but with a lot of joy and a lot of fun. And you can see that we're going to serve you a nice, yummy breakfast. We'll have some healthy snacks. We'll get started at 8:30 for networking and breakfast, and then we'll work right through until about 1 o'clock. Love to see you there. And this really is an opportunity for you to get a sense of what it's like to work with me as your money mentor, get a lot of stuff done. And of course, I'm going to share with you the exciting details about my next CFO camp, which begins at the end of January. I hope you can make it. I wish you a very prosperous, very productive, very valuable and visible 2018.